buttered squid today. Yeah, buttered squid today. Yes, ma'am. So what I have right here, I'm gonna start on my oil. I'm so excited with this, guys. Smells so good. Okay, let me see if it's hot enough. And then I'm gonna start on my ginger. Yeah. Ooh. Can you smell that sizzling, guys? Okay. We'll saute our ginger. Yum. Okay. Then we'll add our onion. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, can you hear that, guys? Amazing! I'm so excited. This is the first time that I'm gonna make this recipe. And I figured, it's been a long time since I have a squid. A squid. Okay. And then I'm gonna add the garlic. A lot of garlic. So if you notice, guys, I started with ginger and onion because garlic is very easy to get burned. So I usually add them after the onion and ginger. Ginger. Oh yeah, guys, I can smell the combination of ginger, the aroma of ginger. Okay, and then I'm gonna add, this is about 2 tablespoons of butter. So good. And guys, squid is easy to fix, and this is quick. You don't have to overcook them. Oh yeah. That's buttery. So while we are melting down our butter, I'm gonna add some pepper right there. Pepper. A lot of pepper. Oh my. So good. Smells so good, guys. Yum. Look at that. Who doesn't like butter? Who doesn't like butter, guys? Yum. It's so good. Okay. Wow. And of course, I'm gonna add our squid. Look at that. So that's our squid. So it's already sliced. It's like a calamari slice. Put them so quickly because, like I said, this is easy to cook. So while it's in there, we're gonna add a hoisin sauce. Not too much, just moderation for this because squid is already salty. I have about a tablespoon of sugar just to balance out the sweet and saltiness of our squid. Oh, look at that, guys. And actually, guys, one of my secrets on making a dishes, especially for the main course, is I always add a pinch or a tablespoon of sugar. It balances out the flavors. Oh my gosh, this is so good. And then, like I said, this is very quick. And after that, our last one is our yellow pepper. Just add it up. And we will just saute them for like a couple of minutes, and this is done after that. And plating afterwards. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Okay, and then we'll just simmer them for a couple of minutes, guys. Okay, I decided to add me some red pepper just to have a little kick of the pepper right there, and you can see the flakes. Oh, it's waving at me. The pepper was like, hey, sexy duck. So after a couple of minutes, this is done. And what we're gonna do now is plating. Look at this, guys. This beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful squid right there. I'm ready for plating. I'm excited to try it. There you go, guys. So this is our buttered squid right there. Look at that, guys. Amazing. It smells so good. And like I said, this is very easy. So I have pepper, butter, garlic, onion, ginger, and of course our yellow pepper. It smells so good, and I have a lot of butter in it. Yum. Well, thank you guys for watching my video today, and I hope you like it. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click just like that. Click the notification bell so you will be updated every time I upload a video. And every Friday I have a video coming out every Friday, so I'm gonna see you on Friday, guys. Bye.